you scared?
I ain't never scared.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my sister Brittany. Say hi.
Hey.
And we're doing the spicy noodle challenge that you guys told me to do. So my last video I asked you guys if you thought I should do it and you said yes, so here we are. We're about to die. So we already have our noodles made.
She made them, that's why they're hard.
They're not hard. You took forever to get ready, so now they're like stale.
I did take forever to get ready. You just got here early.
Okay. We have them made already just to save time, and we're gonna put in the packets so you guys can see. And we made 2 of these packets, so we each pretty much have one.
Oh shit, my noodles are gonna fall out.
So we made 2 of these packets, and we tried to make it as even as possible, so we'll see how it goes.
Alright, wish us luck.
Which one should we put in first?
Wait, are we doing something for the winner? Whoever wins, the loser has to do something.
What do you?
So my idea was whoever loses has to eat a jalapeno. She said no.
Fine.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, because you know you're gonna lose.
I'm nervous.
We'll just do that.
Alright.
Okay, we're putting in the red packet first.
Wait, I'm not ready. Okay. What the heck is this? And
Ew.
don't cheat. Get all of that out of there.
I am.
Dang. Capricorns, they cheat. No offense if you're a Capricorn.
Her man's a Capricorn, so he cheats?
He does.
Girl.
He be cheating on Uno. He cheats on Operation.
Operate?
Yes.
You better check your relationship.
He'll buzz and he'll act like you didn't. Like,
look at my
what?
hands.
Please.
Ew.
Right.
Like stained my fingers.
Embarrassing. Alright, next is this one. What is this?
Well, mix
Okay,
this
well,
in first.
is this Chinese or Japanese?
I think it's Korean.
So wrong. So off. So off. That's... Alright. Are these like red pepper flakes?
I think so. Mix
No.
this first. Dumb.
Oh.
Okay, you guys can see
do
my
it
bowl
all
kind of
at the
before.
same time.
If I don't.
Ooh, this smells good.
It actually does.
Low key. It smells good, low key. And I'm like starving right now.
I'm starving too, so I hope it
I'm
helps.
hungry. I haven't really ate today, so.
It looks like spaghetti.
We're gonna need some Olive Garden after this.
Ooh. We should.
Nah, I don't know about that. Alright, next is this. Ooh, it's smelling spicy, guys.
Is it? What
Yes.
is that? Ew.
It looks like seaweed or something. I don't know. Oh my goodness. This looks kind of spicy, but at least we're not doing that one chip challenge because that one looks super hot. Like, super hot.
Adriana wanted me to do it. She wanted to do it.
Oh. But the chips are like $70 a chip.
Now they are.
Oh.
They weren't at first,
Really?
but once they got like popular.
Alright, I don't know about this, guys. I don't even know what I got myself into.
So we have some napkins.
I need
and
a
some
napkin.
water.
You have my other napkin.
You have a napkin right there.
2 each, girl.
Where's the other one? There's only 3.
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4. You already used it.
I'm nervous.
She's gonna break my Target $5 bowl over here. Better calm down.
I'm scared.
Alright, hold on.
I don't know.
What are we gonna do?
Are you cutting it?
No.
You just cut it. Well.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, don't put anything in your thing yet.
What are
In
you
your
talking
fork.
about?
Don't wrap it up because you can't get started. Yes,
I'm not. We're not.
You have a bite
wrap
ready.
your first bite
You
then.
have a bite ready.
Right, wrap your first bite.
She's cheating,
Here's my
guys.
bite. I'm ready to
now
go.
we're not even gonna be even.
All right, ready?
What the heck? I
I'm
thought you were about to
smelling
bite
it.
it.
Chill.
You can't just say, all right, ready?
Paranoid. I'm smelling it.
Guys,
All right,
this
ready?
is all bad.
We're gonna probably make a mess, but let's go. 1, 2, 3.
It's low-key kind of good, but
It
spicy.
is kind of good, but it's pretty spicy. The noodles are like different than regular like ramen you get from the bag.
Mm-hmm. I don't like eating in front of people.
Me either. So awkward.
She came to our house with a 1% battery life on her camera. Who does that?
At least I was ready.
It's spicy. My tongue is burning.
Tap out.
Are you almost done?
No.
If you are, you cheated with the noodles.
I have a good strategy over here. I'm not gonna tell you.
What is it?
Woo, bitch.
It's spicy. Oh my gosh. I want some water.
No, no, you can't have water.
Yeah, we can.
You just lost. That's the rules. What are you talking about?
You didn't say there were any rules.
We can't drink water.
Yes, we. Why do you think there's water?
No, you can't have water. You're a cheater. Whoever's watched spicy noodle challenges before knows that's the rules.
No, it's not.
I just won.
No, you didn't. I don't know, guys.
It's more hot when you keep talking.
I don't know, guys. My mouth is burning. Can we quit?
No.
Can we quit?
No.
My mouth is burning, guys. Oh no, this is bad.
You forfeit? Do you
No.
forfeit? Because I'm about to finish it anyways. Might as well just forfeit. I'm already almost done.
Where are you almost done?
Lord Jesus. I can't even take another bite. I'm gonna throw up. Oh, I'm starting to sweat.
Oh, no.
Just forfeit, dude. Just forfeit, Brittany.
Not a quitter.
Forfeit.
Oh, hell no.
I finished. I won. I'm the winner. I'm never doing that again. Mm-mm.
Oh my goodness. It was so bad.
Mm-mm. I feel dizzy. Oh my god.
That was painful, guys.
Well, we've always known who the better sister was at everything, so I'm not surprised.
Oh, whatever. I can't even talk to give you a comeback.
We need milk or something, Brittany. It's burning. I can't talk because it hurts. It hurts the tummy. Because it hurts. It hurts the tummy. We need milk.
No milk for you because you won. Oh, that was bad.
Brittany is burning.
Go in the kitchen.
I can't even talk. Every time I talk.
Who wanted us to do this? That was so mean.
Every time I talk, it hurts.
I really thought I was gonna win, guys.
Oh, loser eats a jalapeno. You better go find your jalapeno.
I don't have
Bring me some milk.
I don't have jalapenos, so nope.
You liar! You said you had jalapenos.
I don't have jalapenos.
You're lying.
It was a joke. Hee hee ha ha.
Sauce.
Oh, I have like
Me too.
sauce on my chin. That's embarrassing. Oh.
I do too, but at least I have something to show for it.
Oh, this is painful.
You took an L. How does it feel to take your L?
She gave me more noodles, guys.
How does it feel to take your L?
She gave me more noodles.
How does it feel to take your L?
I don't give up.
Hold your L.
This is bad, guys.
Is it going away?
No. Don't ever try this again. Don't ever.
Nasty.
Oh no, this is bad. Don't ever challenge us to do these kinds of things again, because I'm not doing it. Adriana, you're next. You gotta do this.
I have 3 more packs.
Okay, so you and Adriana are next. Ooh, Edgar and Adriana. I'm calling out Edgar and Adriana right now. Right now. Edgar's my husband and Adriana's her fiance. So we're calling them out. Comment down below if you want to see that.
Yeah.
If you want to see that. I want to see that.
I feel like Edgar can take it though. He can probably handle it.
Does Adriana like spicy food?
Hot Cheetos.
Can she drink that? Like eat hot food?
Hot Cheetos. I don't know if it being cold made it worse or if it made it better.
I have no idea, guys, but that was so bad.
My mouth is still burning. Is your mouth burning?
You got like stuff all over your face,
I know, I
girl.
can't get it off.
Clean that up, girl. Oh,
I
gotta
need
be careful.
Why?
She might push me back into a shower.
Oh my gosh.
She is so rough. Like, I barely touched her. Not even touched her.
Girl,
I didn't even touch you with the curling iron.
Don't even.
No, I didn't touch her with the curling iron.
Don't even go there.
They don't even know what we're talking about.
I know. So when we were younger, how old were we?
Probably 13 and 12 and 14 maybe. We're getting ready for Rolero. Who knows what that is? Hey. So.
Let me tell her because you always lie.
No, I don't. She's gonna lie, so whatever.
When we were, around that age, I think we were probably a little younger, maybe. She was doing my hair. I don't know why. Why the f were you doing my hair?
You always wanted me to do your hair. Curl my hair, curl my hair.
I don't think so.
Yeah, anyways.
So when we were like 12 years old, or I was like, no, I don't think I was 12. I was probably older than that. I don't know. We were getting ready to go to Rolero. And she was doing my hair.
And her Capricorn side came out.
She was... You and your astrology.
The temper came out.
Not. You associate every attitude or personality with their sign.
Yeah, so like if one person is a certain sign, and they're like a bad person or they act a certain way, it ruins the whole sign for everyone else for me.
I feel that way too, but you're like,
oh, but I'm the one. But I
feel that way, but you, with everything I do, you're like, you're such a Capricorn.
Well, you are.
Team Capricorn.
Team Cancer, hey! Cancers know how to party. So you didn't even tell the story.
So she's doing my hair and we started arguing, which we would, I don't know if we would argue a lot. Did we argue a lot or was it just like a one-time thing?
We wouldn't argue that much.
But we were arguing and then she was like, I'll burn you. And I was like, do it. And then she took your curling iron and burned me right here.
I barely touched her.
I still have a scar, probably.
No, you don't.
I probably do.
No, you don't.
I probably do.
No, you don't. You're a freaking liar.
I'll find one.
She's a freaking liar. Don't believe her.
And
if she tells you guys to blend your shadow a little more, she's lying.
So she burns me. And then, so we're in the bathroom while she's curling my hair. And so she burns me. And then
I didn't burn her. I put it close to her.
She touched my skin.
No, because I would never, ever do anything to hurt someone on purpose. So I put it close to her, and I think like it got too close, I don't know, and it burned her, or she exaggerated and act like it did.
No.
I don't know what happened.
No.
But I was playing around. I was playing around to do it. And then I guess I actually did it. She pushed me in the shower, guys. She pushed me in the shower. The shower curtain fell on me. The shower curtain fell on me. I was like this in the shower, and the curtain was all over me.
Yeah, like say
that's so mean.
So
why would you push me in the shower?
Because you burned me.
That's not an excuse.
You hurt me. It hurt.
You hurt me more.
No, you hurt me more.
I had a broken arm.
I have a scar. You have a broken arm.
She broke my arm.
Ow, you fell backwards.
And then my elbow hit the thing and then I broke. I had to go to a doctor.
No, you didn't. Cancers are emotional and, what's the word? Dramatic?
You don't even know. So
dramatic. She's dramatic.
No. Whatever.
So I pushed her into the shower.
And left.
In the whole shower.
And I had to get out by myself. I had to get out of the tub by myself.
Falls on top of her face.
Did we tell anybody, like a parent? And what happened?
We told Dad.
And what happened? What did he do? He probably didn't do shit because that's his favorite right here.
Okay, I don't know what happened. My camera turned off.
So what were we saying?
I was just saying that, okay, no, you said that we probably told Dad, but he didn't do anything.
Oh, yes, because she's the favorite
Because
kid.
I'm the favorite, but I don't know why you think I'm...
And I'll tell you why she's the favorite. I go to the house and I'm like, hey, what's your Wi-Fi password? To my dad, you know? And he's like, oh, it's Marisa's birthday. What's the password?
I'm on 1 out of 4. There's 4 kids.
Yeah,
probably
but anyway,
the youngest.
She's the favorite.
It's probably the only birthday he remembers.
I don't know. I really
the
whatever.
Youngest kid.
Whatever.
Anyways, you put all that makeup on just to take it off.
I don't want to look busted.
Okay.
I knew my sister, that's the makeup artist, was gonna be all fly. I gotta at least look a little cute next to her.
But the thing is, you put eyeshadow on. I never even put eyeshadow on.
Eyeshadow took like 2 minutes.
Yeah, because it's not blended.
Bitch! Like, I would hit her if she wouldn't get hurt. Like, I would totally hit you if you wouldn't get hurt.
I don't get hurt.
Obviously you did, because you pushed me in the shower.
So I need to go wash my hands because they feel disgusting from those stupid noodles. Don't ever do that. You will probably have heartburn or something afterwards.
Yeah.
I feel it. It's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So go to her channel and check it out. I'll put the link in the description box.
And subscribe to my channel.
Thirsty ass. Make sure you subscribe to her channel too. She's gonna have a lot of good stuff on her channel. So
that wasn't even believable. You better say something else.
Oh, I am.
You better
that
say
was believable.
Subscribe to her channel. She's gonna have some fun stuff too. I guess.
Okay.
Subscribe if you want. Don't do it. That's pretty much what you said.
Subscribe to her channel and she's gonna have fun stuff.
Dude, what about the people that have earphones on? You just yelled in their ears. Comment down below if you think we look
I don't
alike.
think we do.
We're like 2 years apart.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. What are you
A year
talking
and a half
about?
apart.
A year and a half?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
So make sure you check out the video we're gonna do on her channel. It's gonna be really funny. And yeah, thank you for watching us. I hope our pain brought you
Joy.
laughter.
Joy.
Joy. Thirsty.
I was trying to be like the kid in the classroom that knows the answer. Joy! No? Okay.
Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Wave at your pinky.